So, second day on the job, and we have this fuel tank to fit in. So what I really like about this, it's first of all off the shelf here, so I kind of walked up to the shelf and took it off. I don't know if I'm allowed to use this on here, but heck, it's there. They sell it. We've got a few issues with this tank. It's really narrow, the inside is really narrow, so I think it's designed for the narrower CB frames, and obviously it's a really narrow tank. If you compare it to the CX500 tank, which is full of fuel and I can't actually lift it up, if you compare it to the tank anyway, it's a lot narrower. But my idea with this tank is if we stick it on, it's going to kind of poke the heads out a little bit more, and you're going to see the beauty of the engine a bit more than that. But we've got a few issues with this tank. It's this in-between bit here that's a little bit too narrow for the CX, because you've got the front engine mount and everything that bolts on, you've got your coils at the top. It's causing us issues, but there's ways around it. So what I'm going to show today is the fact that you can actually take an off-the-shelf tank, and these are so inexpensive. It comes with a really nice tap, comes with a nice filler cap as well. We can actually modify one of these without too much work to actually fit the CX as well. So it's something that you want to try at home, then it's something that, you know, it's achievable. You can do it without actually any welding, without cutting, just a bit of bending, a bit of heat, and we'll get it to fit. So without any further ado, there's the bike. Let's get it on. So this is the frame we're working with. We are going to put new front forks on this from a different CX. We're not putting USD forks. These little tabs, obviously the engine mounts, we're going to cut those down. If we decide to go with a teardrop tank in the end, then it's no problem, we can just put these back on. Let's cut that off and see where we get to. So what we've got here, as I mentioned, is the tank. It's a really neat tank, but what we have got, the issue we have got, the little tabs inside, they don't fit. So we're going to have to figure out a different tab system to use this. But the advantage of this is that the tank will probably cost cheaper than it will to buy a second-hand teardrop tank for the Honda. It's already down to bare metal. The inside isn't rusted, you know it's good, so you don't have to fill it with line or anything like that. Let's get rid of these tabs, take it from there. So this is what I'm thinking. The tank is still, after cutting those tabs down, this tank is still a little bit too narrow. So what I'm going to do is heat it up with a torch, top and bottom, then use this, crank it open and split it apart, and hopefully that should fit. And so with the tank beaten in and everything like that, obviously we're going to have to then sand it down and start putting a bit of filler in. But luckily Mo Colours, the guy that's going to paint the bike, who by the way does noises. Mo Colours, the guy who's going to be painting the bike, is going to be doing all that filling and everything that we need. And he's amazing, he's absolutely amazing. The finishes he gets on his tanks, I've seen his work, is amazing. Gets these really thick gloss coats, and he does ship worldwide as well, so if you've got a piece of work that you need him to do and if you like his style, you can always ship to him and go back as well, so it's amazing. So we're going to leave all that for him, but now with the tank fitting, I think it's going to be an easy job, an easy ride from here on out. Once the colour and everything's on it, the bike will soon come together. So that's all from me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Dime City's channel, my channel, Instagram feed, their feed, my feed, everything like that. Visit the link below, donate the £5 and you might be able to win the CX500. Also, next week's going to be more CX500 videos, more build videos, more riding videos, everything. So don't forget, subscribe to this channel if you like it, hit that bell icon. I will see you next week. So until then, ride safe, stay safe, and I will see you next week.